Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can take backup from your Gmail account, especially the photos backup. See, the same thing you can do this on mobile too, just for the clear demonstration purpose. I am showing it to you on the laptop. First thing, if you want to check all your Google photos or your photos, you need to open Chrome browser even on your mobile on laptop, photos.google.com. So 96% has been used. So there is no enough space. So what I'll do is sorry, I'll select each and every pic which I want and I'll take the backup. So this will take lot of time because there are like thousands of photos on my Google account, Gmail account. So what is the solution? There is a simple solution. You need to open another tab. You need to search for Google Takeout. Enter. So browse through this website, takeout.google.com. Again, I'm saying takeout.google.com. First of all the items here will be selected. So in this tutorial, we are only concentrating on Google Photos. So first thing you need to do is click on Deselect All. So nothing is selected. Scroll down until you find Google Photos. Here is the Google Photos selected. Scroll down as usual. You'll find next option at the bottom. Next step. Click on this next step and export every month. So export at once would be the best option. Means I want all my photos to be exported at once. And the file format is zip. Okay. Maximum file size maybe 4 GB and I'll click on export. So there will be an export file in the format of .zip and that will be sent to my email ID. Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So what I need to do is I need to go to my email and check for the updates or on the primary tab about this export. Okay. So once I receive that, I can download that zip to my computer, to my computer local folder, and I can unzip that and I can save that to a pen drive or a memory card, whatever it may be. Okay. This is how you can take backup of your photos from your Gmail account. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.